Now worksheet 1. Selling price of a bed sheet in question 1 as rupees 640, on which profit is 28%, and what will be the cost price. As I have told it in the previous class, since you have to find out the CP over here, SP में ऊपर, CP में नीचे. So recall the formula. CP, you have to find out the CP. So CP में ये term नीचे आएगी. And since profit percent is given, so it will be 100 plus profit percent. Now, what will you do it? You will substitute the value from the given question. 100 plus profit percent is 28. Multiply CP. So what should be next step now? 100 upon 128 into 640. Now cancel it. After cancel, whatever result you will get it, that will be the cost price. Clear? Question 2. Question 2 is number of packets of blade is 250 rupees. Cost price of 250 blade at the rate of 8 rupees per blade. So cost price of 250 blades, what it should be at the rate of 8 rupees per blade. एक blade की cost अगर 8 rupees है, what will be the cost of 250 rupees? That will be 8 into 250, so it is coming as 2000. अब क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है 70% of the packets. So total packets are 250. So 70% of the packets, 70% of 250, you will get it 175. So 175 packets at the rate of 11 rupees per blade. Its selling price is given 11 multiply 175. 70% of packets की cost selling price कह रहा है, that is rupees 11. तो हम क्या करेंगे? First we will find out its selling price. We will find out the 70% of the packet. So that is coming as 175 and 11 rupees per packet. So cost will be rupees 1925. Now, the remaining packets, what should be the remaining packets? Total packets are 250 and 175 packets 70%, and what should be the remaining packets? कितना होगा? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 250 में से 175 minus कर देंगे. So remaining packets as 75. So selling price of remaining packets is at the rate of rupees 9 per packet. तो आपके पास selling price ये आ गई rupees 675. अब क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि you have to find out the gain percent in the whole transaction. तो gain percent निकालने के लिए you need total selling price as well as total cost price. तो हम देखते हैं what should be total selling price. Total selling price एक तो ये आपके पास आ गया rupees 675 and one is 1925. So total selling price दोनों को ऐड कीजिए, you will get this. Gain percent के लिए gain होना जरूरी है, and what is the formula of a gain? Gain is SP minus CP. So SP minus CP. SP you have got it 2600 minus CP. CP is 2000 minus किया 600. अब gain percent or loss percent will always be on CP, on cost price. So gain percent, gain upon CP into 100. So gain is 600 upon CP. CP cost price is 2000. You have to substitute the values. Now cancel it. Cancel this. So you will get it 30%. So in the whole transaction, shopkeeper is getting 30% discount. Okay. Come to the question third. Question third type is very important for your exams point of view. Question is selling price of 2 jeans as rupees 90 per jean. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? And it is further given the gain percent on one jean is 10% and the loss percent on one jean is 10%. And then you have to find out later, question में दिया हुआ है that find his gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. Gain or loss in the whole transaction, तो वो तभी आएगा gain और loss percent जब हमारे पास total selling price आएगी और total cost price आएगी. Then only we can see whether we are gaining or it's a loss concept. Okay, so that concept we will use it. Now selling price case 1 and we will take case 2. Selling price of 1 jean rupees 990, and in case 2 again selling price of 1 jean is rupees 990 because each लिखा है. Gain is 10% and loss is 10%. अब देखो selling price दिया हुआ है, gain percent दिया हुआ है, so can we find out cost price? SP में ऊपर, CP में नीचे. So we will find out the cost price नीचे लिखना है. So formula will be 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. और इस केस में क्या हो जाएगा? Because loss दिया हुआ है तो 100 minus loss percent हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now we will substitute the given values in the formula to get the value of cost price. Let's see how we will get the value now. Okay, so what we will do? We will substitute these values in the given formula. And after substituting the values in the given formula, you will get case 1 and case 2 like this. Okay, now cancel it. So it will coming as rupees 900, and here if you will cancel it, it is coming as 1100, rupees 1100. Now the question is, we have to find out, in the question it is given, find the gain or loss percent. Gain or loss percent. तो gain or loss percent निकालने के लिए we need the total selling price as well as total cost price. So total cost price, let's see. Total cost price, एक तो ये 900 हो गया and the other one is 1100. So total cost price will be rupees 900 plus 1100. So what it is coming as? Rupees 2000. And what should be the total selling price? Total selling price. So total selling price will be sum of these two, isn't it? तो जैसे total cost price है, now we will find out total selling price. So rupees 990 plus 990. So it is coming as rupees 1980. Okay, now the question is whether it has loss or gain. तो हमें loss और gain percent निकालने के लिए we have to see which one is greater. यहाँ देखिए cost price is more than selling price. See, cost price is more than selling price, isn't it? अगर cost price selling price से ज़्यादा है तो वो gain होगा या loss होगा? It will be loss. So therefore it has loss. तो loss कितना हुआ? Loss is CP minus SP. So CP minus SP. So it is coming as 2000 minus 1980. So what it should be? Rupees 20. Now you have to find out loss percent. Loss percent formula is loss upon CP into 100. Loss upon CP multiply 100. Now substitute the value. Loss is rupees 20. 20 upon CP. CP is total cost price, that is 2000 into 100. So cancel the terms. So you are getting the loss as of 1%. And this question is very important. Okay. Question fifth is, by selling 35 greeting cards, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to selling price of 5 greeting cards. Find his loss percent. Since they are asking about the loss percent, तो loss percent का formula क्या है? Loss upon CP into 100. So it means we need loss as well as cost price. Is it? We need loss as well as cost price. So let's have a look on this question. In this, it is given loss equals to the selling price of 5 greeting cards. So we will take, let selling price of 1 greeting card, selling price of 1 greeting card equal rupees X. We will assume it ourselves. Okay. Therefore, selling price of loss is given selling price of 5 greeting cards. So, selling price of 5 greeting cards equal, अगर एक कार्ड की सेलिंग प्राइस X रुपीज है, so what should be the selling price of 5 greeting cards? Tell me what it should be. It will be 5x. 5x. So this is 5x. Okay, and here it is written by selling 35 greeting cards. So selling price of 35 greeting cards will be rupees 35. हमारे पास ये आ गया. And in the question it is given loss equal selling price of 5 greeting cards. Selling price of 5 greeting cards. तो हम देखते हैं what it should be. Selling price of 5 greeting cards is rupees 5x. So loss equal rupees 5x. ये आ गया हमारे पास. Okay. Now to find out cost price will be equals to what? If loss is there, so cost price equals to what? Cost price equal selling price of how much? 35 greeting cards. 35 greeting cards plus loss. Now let's go further. Selling price of 35 greeting cards. Selling price of 35 greeting cards is 35x. So it is 35x plus loss. Loss is 5x. So it will become 40x. Now to find out loss percent, what is the formula? Loss percent is loss upon CP multiply 100. So what is loss here? Loss is of 5x. 5x upon CP. What is CP? 40x into 100. अब आप solve कीजिए, then you will get the answer. So it will come as 25 by 2. So 12 1 by 2%. So 12 1 by 2% is the answer. You can do this question by assuming it as ₹1 also. In that case also you will get the same answer. I have taken the selling price as rupees X. You can do it with ₹1 also. Okay. But the method, whatever method you will apply, that should be right method. Thank you and have a nice day.